felt like we were on a roller coaster ride like a second ago.
Literally, like I like lots of maritime, I'm sure.
That was great.
So sick and tired of the pouring rain, I took a train to Morocco just to kill the pain. Oh, it might help a little, it might help a lot, I don't know, but it's all I got. Crossing the desert when I lost the caravan, I found a compass in a box buried underneath the sand. Oh, it might help a little, it might help a lot, I don't know, but it's all I got. Running in circles, I was losing my mind when you found me and you led me to the water just in time. Oh, this might hurt a little, this might hurt a lot, I don't know, but it's all I got. Tell me where you've been, won't you tell me what you know? Morocco, tell me where you've been, won't you tell me what you know?
Yeah. Okay, so we just landed in Morocco. I actually had to declare my drone in the airport right after I went through immigration because it is illegal here. So told the guy was really chill about it. He just took me to the back room, said you keep it in storage, which kind of sucks because now it means we have to fly to Casablanca airport on the way out, and tickets are cheaper out of Marrakech. But you know, now we got some time to waste in this airport because we got to catch a train at 4:55 in the morning to Rabat, and it is still the middle of the night in Casablanca. So we're gonna try and sleep somewhere, and yeah, I think that's it. All right, guys. So it is 6:45 in the morning, and we took the train from Casablanca to Rabat, if I'm saying that right. And all we gotta do is find Nasr the nomad and check into our hotel, and we're golden, pony boy. So this is our first kind of taste of Morocco. I'm gonna let Nasr do the honors and give us just a little room tour here.
Say welcome to Morocco.
Welcome to Morocco.
No,
we are
in Moroccan.
Okay, we gotta redo that.
Oh, in Moroccan.
Yeah.
That'd be good.
مرحبا بكم في المغرب. احنا دابا في رباط وغادي نوريكم هاد traditional house.
And what does that mean in English?
It means like I'm gonna show you around in this traditional house.
Oh, sweet. Okay.
So this is the main room, which everyone like gets invited, like. And
So this is like the main guest room here?
Yeah, it's the guest room.
But this is where we're sleeping tonight, hey?
Yeah, we are actually sleeping because actually we don't like this very fancy beds like that, which is kind of awesome. But
that's Celia's bed. He gets his own room in the house just because you know how Celia is.
It's the king's bed.
Oh.
It's the king's bed.
Shite.
Kick back, relax, boys.
And enjoy.
All right, Nasr, what are we eating here today?
So, you and I having half chicken, splitted, quarter, and Celia's gonna have the most traditional food in Morocco, and it's famous. It's called tagine with chicken, and it's amazing.
All right, well, it's coming up, so I'll update you.
So I just got some fries right now.
Ah, yes. There's the tagine, guys.
Yep.
What are your thoughts on it after first bite?
Well, I didn't have a bite yet. I'm just dipping the fries in the curry sauce. That's a proper tagine.
All right, so this is our place in Asilah. It's pretty epic. Like, look at this chill area. Look at this chill area. We just took a train all the way up to Tangier.
Oh my god!
And we took a taxi to Asilah. And these guys are playing racquetball and they're being whack.
Stop it!
That's the way you
Piece of shite.
Little behind the scenes of the door hyperlapse here. Check it out. Check it out. Oh, boom. Okay.
Don't through this water bottle's going up.
Rocco, my boy!
Come back, Rocco! Rocco, my boy! Okay, so like right now is good.
Yeah. So, what's the skin you like the most in Tiny Royale?
Dude, check this out. This is amazing.
So who do you think got ripped off here? You or Celia?
Well, I feel like Sealy got himself like a cheap deal.
Yeah.
But that is shite. He's not even smiling. He's not even creaming. Look at that.
Scheiße.
Yeah, I ran over.
Dude, I almost got my bin mucked
I
by
thought he
that.
was getting off
Look,
the bike
there's
to
some
fight
dog.
Some dog.
That's where they sell the dog. Nasr's trying these again. This is his initial taste test.
You're probably 18, right?
Yeah, I'm 19.
So good.
So good. All right, can I try it? So Nasr says he only gets these once a year. So we're gonna try his one of the best things in his life right now.
Oh my god.
Oh, that is good.
Oh my god.
This is one of the best hostels I've ever been to. Check this out. We have a pool over here and a really nice roof terrace over there.
Look at that.
It's a nice rooftop. Come,
Yeah.
check this out.
Dude,
Okay, look at this.
this place is real?
It's unreal. That's what it is.
How much is this a night?
Look at this. Okay, that was 15 euros. 20 bucks, I guess, or even less.
Yeah. And look at this rooftop.
And look at that mosque.
Look at that
over
mosque
there.
over
Look
there.
at the view, dude.
And then boom, you got the pool there.
That is mental. Come here to see the room right now. Come on in, get in. Marhaba. And those are
Yes.
beds.
So bad. How awkward would that be if someone was right there?
That would have been so awkward. I know that is not.
But yeah, like this is a hostel.
And you know what that word means?
What does that mean?
That means love.
It means love.
That's in squigglies though.
It is in squigglies, like.
And you
like,
know what that
scares me.
word means?
What does that mean?
Freedom. I'm not
Love?
lying to you. I'm not
Freedom.
lying to you. It's so beautiful. Holy it's windy. It's not worth it.
It's so windy. That's so many
fucking
steps.
windy.
Here, bro.
Your hair is moving crazy. My hair is not moving.
The camel's like your shaven, clean shaven legs. All right, I'm recording you, so do something sick.
Oh, Shaka, bro.
Shaka.
Shaka, bro.
All right. Yeah. So, this is our room for the night. Here's Nasr the Nomad.
Check it
3
out.
beds. Not bad, hey? For the middle of a desert.
Not too bad.
Not too shabby.
Pretty shit luxurious.
Dude, this is luxurious desert living.
Yeah.
Yeah, you better shut that door so the sand don't get in, boy.
All right.
All right.
Chief.
All right, Chief.
Huh?
Oh, wait.
Dance, Nasr.
That's the spicy footage you want.
Come on, Sia.
Ah, yeah. Come on, Nasr.
Oh, come on.
I'm just trying to.
All right, let's see it. Let's see it. Let's see your moves, bro.
Do I don't have any fucking moves. I just like move my body.
Oh, there you go. There you go.
Yeah.
Let's go up.
Oh, it's blanket.
Let's go, bro. Yeah. Get it. Yeah, Bruce. Yeah.
That's all I'm doing.
Somebody. Africa mama. Somebody. Who's that?
That's Sealy. Look at him.
Look at Sealer.
Yeah. He can actually be white and black. He can be in all the colors. Okay, wait. Laugh again.
Yeah. You gotta laugh.
Come on, Celia, laugh again. No.
Okay, just laugh.
Just laugh.
No, you gotta show me first. I'm not laughing unless you show me.
Okay.
You.
There we go.
The fat gains.
The fat gains. Ooh. Thanks, bro. These are Celia's favorite. So Celia thinks he's gonna be able to get that ring over one of those bottles. Let's see it happen, Chief. But you're failing, bro. Bro, it's not happening.
I don't know. I've been really close like 3 times.
That's the nomad trying now. Oh, we're all tangled.
Oh. It's not happening, Chief.
It ain't happening, Chief.
Now we're making some IG bangers.
There's Celia.
He's Celia over there.
He's our model. Look at him go. All right. I'll start taking pictures now. There we go.
Yeah.
That was a good one.
That's the video.
Yeah, it was a video. Ooh, oh, snag. That was a snag and a half. Bro. So we just showed up at this concert to go see Black Eyed Peas, and we showed up 2 hours late, and the concert. But we just happened to run into Adam just chilling. I don't know how. We were just walking and we ran into him. But I'm kind of triggered. But you know,
we thought
that happens.
Yeah, I feel so dumb.
How about you, Nasr? No, just no cameras. Now we're watching on Snap. I'd say it's just as good.
I know. I love hearing Justin Bieber through phone.
Hey, just give the vlog the entire update of what's happened.
All right, vlog. We're in fucking Rabat, Morocco. Just put a quack sound over there.
All right, I'll put quack.
Every time I say fuck, just whack.
All right. All right.
That's the cue. If you hear a quack noise, it's the F word.
All right, so on with what you're gonna say.
Yeah, so we're in fucking Rabat, Morocco.
Oh yeah.
We are going to see fucking Travis Scott tonight. We're drinking some fucking vodka and Sprite.
Some vodka and Sprite.
And we're gonna have a good time.
Let's let Nasr explain this.
So it's time for some redemption. So yesterday we just fucking lost it, but this time we're gonna be making it. And we're gonna have the best time ever. This night is gonna be lit.
There you go. There you go. That's what I was looking for.
That's how we already know.
So how was Travis?
Alright, so Travis Scott was amazing.
Oh yeah.
It was a good concert, even though the bass was so high you couldn't even really hear what he was
And the people were so wild. They were like knocking us around and we're just trying to push back.
It was literally like a mosh pit the whole time. Everyone was just bouncing around.
Oh yeah, there's thousands of
checking
people here.
and stuff.
Dude,
Yeah,
it's
but
crazy.
in the midst of all this, somebody comes up to me from behind, rips my chain off, and tries to grab my hat. I get my hat back, but my chain's gone.
Yeah,
so
dude.
Travis
They're so
Scott,
wild.
Travis Scott concert was free, but it cost me a brand. It cost me a chain.
Alright guys, so it's day 2 at Mawazine, and Celia and I came here by ourselves for Migos to see it on time because Nasr was taking way too long to tie his shoes. Tell him how long it took for him to tie his
So
shoes.
I literally kept telling Nasr, like, bro, you need to get your shoes on right now, because we were drinking some vodka, and then I told him, get your shoes on. He wouldn't go grab his shoes, so I walked upstairs, grabbed his shoes, and it took him like 15 minutes to tie his shoes.
I don't know. This guy needs to put his shoes on.
Yeah, so we can go see Migos.
Yeah. Put your shoes on!
So then we were gonna go eat, but I knew it would take way too long, so I was like, okay, I'm just gonna go by myself.
Yeah.
And then Lennon joined me, and now we're at Mawazine.
We're at Mawazine.
Getting ready for Migos.
Getting ready
we're gonna
for
see
Migos.
on time, and Nasr's gonna miss at least 20 minutes of it.
Yeah, he's gonna miss like 20 minutes, all because he wants to get a panini in him. It's like, listen, you gotta sacrifice a bit to see some Migos, and yeah, that's where we're at right now.
We got a whole load of moon money though. Look at how hot box. Biggest sport. Not in bed. That's it. Migos concert was absolutely insane. It was so awesome. Yeah, we weren't getting bumped around because we stood a little bit farther back, and man, we could see all three Migos on the stage. Oh yeah, it was so sick. We could hear everything. It was the atmosphere was so good. And all of this is for free. I can't believe it. Like, come to Morocco if you want to watch. Best concert I've ever been to in my life.